Let us understand how to place new deposit using Depositor Portal. Once you have logged into Depositors Portal, click on Financial Transaction tab and then select Placement of Deposits from the drop-down. On next page, first depositor's profile details will be displayed. Here, click on Proceed in case there is no joint depositor. Else click on Add Joint Depositor and input PAN and date of birth of the joint holder, and then click on Submit Now. Add the nominee by entering PAN and date of birth if he/she is KYC compliant with HDFC. Else input nominee's name, date of birth, select gender and then click on Proceed. Next, tick on the checkbox if the address of nominee is the same as first depositor. Else input the address of nominee and then select the relationship of nominee with first depositor and then click on Submit. Next, confirm that the remittance is made from the first sole depositor by clicking on OK. Now, enter the deposit amount and select the appropriate payment option. In case the funds are already transferred, then select Already Remitted option. Else click on Payment Gateway tab for remitting funds through net banking. You can select the bank account from the drop-down list. If the bank account is not found in the list, then you can add a new bank account by entering the required details of the bank account and click on Add button. In case you selected Payment Gateway, then you will be redirected to net banking for making the payment. If funds have already been remitted, then enter 6 digits of check and CMI's payslip number. In case of RTGS NEFT, enter the last 6 digits of UTR number. Next, select the tenure of deposit. In case the tenure is of more than 6 months, then also select the interest payout frequency. Then, enter broker code and first 3 characters of the broker's name, followed by selecting maturity instruction and servicing branch from the drop-down, and then click on Calculate Returns Now. Check the product details and click on Proceed. Recheck terms of deposit and click on Yes. Here, read the terms and conditions carefully and then tick on the checkbox and click on OTP First Depositor. A pop-up will appear. Kindly tick the checkbox and click on Send OTP. Now enter the OTP received on registered mobile number of first depositor and click on Submit. Repeat the same process in case of joint holder and then the deposit is successfully placed. You can download the acknowledgement by clicking on this button. EFTR will issue post completion of backend checking.